How to use someone's code on Temu. How to use someone's code on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use someone's code on Temu. So to do that, first of all, open up the Temu application on your mobile device and then simply add some items to your cart. Now once you've done that, tap on your cart and then tap on the option checkout. Now once you've done that, in this page, you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option apply coupon code. Now if you have someone else's code, this is the place where you enter it. So simply enter the code over here and then tap on the option apply. Now remember, you can only enter one coupon code per purchase. So simply keep that in mind. Now once you've done that and applied the coupon, simply enter your payment methods, and then once you tap on the option submit order, you'll have successfully used someone else's code on Temu. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.